Hello, we are Cybelle Hill, John Hill and Bubbles Hill. And 2020, right in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, and after being in lockdown for over 3 months, we self-reflected about our lives and decided a much-needed change had to happen. The world is a very different place now, and everyone's lives have been changed forever. It was time to make a change. The things we used to think that made us happy no longer do. So we decided to sell everything, to buy an RV, live full-time on the road, and explore the world. This is our journey. Hi guys!
Hello.
Like we said on Instagram, we have a big announcement to make.
Yep, big announcement.
Big one.
Life-changing.
Life-changing events.
Yeah.
In one of our last videos, it was very short. It was just an indication of what we've been thinking and what we've been doing. We decided that life has a new meaning for us.
Yeah.
The things we used to think that, you know, were making us happy, sort of no longer do in many ways. Other things do, and others don't. So we decided to sell everything, get rid of stuff, buy an RV, and travel the world. In this case, travel Europe.
Yep, traveling through Europe.
Yeah. So there you have it.
That's the big announcement.
That's the big announcement. So we are going to revamp my Sweet Mimi Doll YouTube channel. We're gonna change the name to The Hills Adventures.
Yep.
Meaning I'm Cybelle Hill, John Hill, and of course our son Bubbles Hill.
Yep.
So yeah, we are going to be leaving the Netherlands end of August. It's already settled. We're going to head to UK to meet up with our friends and family there, and we're gonna then buy an RV, and then
away we go.
Away we go. So you're going to follow us in all the adventures, meaning we're going to make a lot of vloggings, us purchasing the RV, us moving from Rotterdam, the Netherlands, us packing our lives in the Netherlands. We're still going to vlog here in Rotterdam.
Yep.
So you're going to see all those videos.
In future ones, we're going to have Bubbles with us.
Yeah.
Mr. Little Bubbles.
Bubbles is going to be the life of the party.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And in case anyone doesn't realize, Bubbles is our little dog. He's a Shih Tzu.
The Shih Tzu, the 2-year-old Shih Tzu.
Yep.
And you guys are gonna fall in love with him. There's already a few videos on our channel. So
we have some more recordings planned to have him in there with us, and we plan to take him to various locations, and you get to see him traveling along with us. And and also I should mention I am also a full-time writer, so I put books onto Amazon, KDP.
Yep.
So if any of you are interested, please look up my full name, which is Christopher John Hill. My middle name is John for John, and I do full-time writing on the side.
We will put all the description of Christopher John Hills, or my husband, the books, and underneath this video, so you're gonna have a look. There is his page. He already wrote 26 books.
That's correct, 26 books with a number 27 on the way.
Yeah.
And my first book took me over 20 years to write.
Yeah.
And I've just been refining my skills over all those years, and I finally got it up to a quality and standard which I'm quite happy with. And my wife, she's the illustrator, so she does all the covers.
I do all the artwork with John's input, of course.
Yeah.
And it's basically a effort team. So
yeah, team effort every time.
Every time. So there you have it, guys. We don't want to drag this video much. We just like to say to you once again, we're buying an RV, selling everything, and travel the world.
Yep.
So next time you guys see us on YouTube, you'll see more videos, as in Italy, Rome, you know, Spain.
Traveling around.
As we've been traveling around, like I said, we're going to do the first stop in UK, and then you're going to see all the process of us moving from here to there.
Yeah, because we have a lot of things to do over this next month, including packaging everything up, downsizing, and getting it all ready so that we can transfer it across to the RV.
Sorry about all the noise behind us. We are in the city center of Rotterdam today.
Yeah, we thought this would be a quieter location, but
no,
not quite.
It's difficult because we live in a city.
Yeah, it is a city, so it's difficult to find a spot to find a good recording spot.
So there you have it, guys. This is a big announcement. That's it. You're gonna just follow us now with all the vlogging and all the travels we're gonna do, and you'll be part of the team. So
yeah.
So now from us to you, I'll see you soon in another video.
Alrighty, take care everyone.
Take care.
Cheers.
Bye.